Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, we are going to be making this bag you are seeing on your screen, and we're going to be making it with our manual machine guys. So today the measurement we're going to be using is a 7 inches by 13.1 inches. So guys, you're going to be adding 1 inch to the height of the bag and 1 inch to the wideness of the bag. So the measurement I cut out was 8 inches by 14.1, but the normal measurement is 13.1 by 7 inches, because I'm going to be adding a stabilizer to the bag and I'm going to be stitching the side by half an inch. So the measurement you're going to be cutting out is 14.1 by 8 inches. So now guys, I've actually cut out my bottom, and the measurement of the bottom is 9 inch by 5.2 inch. So I've actually shaped it. I shaped it by, so you're going to shape it by 1 inch, and the measurement for the stabilizer of the bottom is 8.5 8.2 sorry 8.2 inches by 4.5 inches. Now for the flap of the bag, the measurement is 7 inches by length and 5 inches wideness. I later increased the measurement to 5 inches. I didn't later use 4.7, so I used 5 inches. I would advise you to use 5 inches as well for the wideness of the bag. And you're going to be cutting two pieces of that, and I've actually did mine. So I've did mine off camera and I've actually gummed it as well. So I'll be using a leather padding. I'm not going to be using a marco, but we advise if you're going to be doing yours, you can make it of a marco, you can use a carry board. And you can use a leather padding if you want, but for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a leather padding. So guys, let's start working. So I've actually fixed my magnet of camera. The measurement I used was 1 inches by 1 inches, and after that you're going to fix your magnet directly. So you're going to look for the center of the body of your bag and the center of your flap. And after looking for the center, you're going to mark it and you're just going to sew it center to center. So you take a measurement of, for the sewing of the flap to the body, I took a measurement of 2 inches. After taking a measurement of 2 inches, then I fixed my flap directly to the body. So you get the middle of the body. After getting the middle of the body, then you took a measurement of 2 inches. So that is where you're going to be placing your flap. So guys, I've actually sewn my off camera because my machine was jumping at some point, so I need to fix it off camera. So after that, we are going to be joining the body together. So you're going to be stitching by 0.5 like half an inch. Remember I said the normal measurement of the bag is 13.1, but I added 1 inch to it just for the sewing of the bag. Then after that, we are going to be working on the bottom of the bag. So I'm going to be giving the bottom a stitches, because I don't want the bottom, I want the bottom to have like a stitches at the down part. So I actually discovered this method when I was working on a customer project, and I find it really interesting, and it always looks beautiful. And after that, you're going to be fixing your magnetic stand. So you can use any measurement of your choice. Then after fixing your magnetic stand, we are going to be fixing the bottom directly to the body of the bag. So you're just going to get the center of the bottom and the center of your body, and you're going to fix your bottom directly just like that. And after that, we are going to be turning our bag outside, and we are going to be working on the interior of the bag, the lining aspect of the bag. We are going to be working on the lining aspect of the bag. Now for the interior aspect of the bag, you are going to measure your bag round And the measurement I have here with me is 19.5. So I'm going to be removing 3 inches from that 19.5, which will leave me with 16.5. And that 16.5, you're going to divide it to 2. That will give you the measurement of your lining. And that 3 inches I removed from that 19 inches will be our leather. And I've actually cut mine, but I didn't cut out 1.5. I cut out a 2 inches, 2 inches. And you're going to have 2 pieces of that, because you are going to be adding your gum, and we are going to be folding it by ½ inch. Now this is the divider of the bag. The measurement I have here with me is a 7 inches by 11.5 inches, 7 inches by 11.5 inches. And after that, we are going to sew our zip and lining to the divider of the bag. Now we are going to be joining our leather and the lining together, and after joining we are going to top stitch, and we are going to be removing, we are going to be reducing the wideness of the lining. We are going to be reducing it to 9 inches. So this is the handle of the bag, and the measurement is 2.5 by 12 inches. You can make any handle of your choice, but for me I make use of a 2.5 by 12 inches. And if you have marco, you can add marco to the handle of the bag, just for it to be thicker than that. And for my magnetic for the D-ring holder, I make use of the 1.5 by 3 inches. I added my gum and I fold it into 2. Now, as I said earlier, we are going to be reducing the down of the lining. If you remember, the measurement of the wideness of the bottom of our bag is 9 inches. So you're going to be reducing your lining as well to 9 inches. You're going to reduce it to 9 inches, and after that we are going to join the both sides of the lining together. Remember, the leather of the lining is a 2 inches by 14.1. So you're going to be closing that side as well by ½ inch. So after the whole closing and the whole measurement, the remaining measurement will be 13.1. So that will be the same as the measurement of the body. Please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly like, comment and subscribe. Give my video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button. And to my existing subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys find this video interesting as well. So after that, we are going to be adding our gum. So we are going to be folding that side by ½ inch. And guys, we are not done yet, but our bag is coming together. So guys, we are going to be fixing the second magnetic. We are going to be fixing the second magnet, and you remember the measurement of our flap is 5 inches. So from the middle of your lining, we are going to take a measurement of 5 inches. So from that side, I took a measurement of 2.5. And from the second side, I took a measurement of 2.5, and the other side as well 2.5. After that, you are going to take a measurement of 1 inches. Remember, we fixed our magnet by 1 inches earlier, so you're going to be fixing that as well by 1 inches. And we are done with our bag. Please, guys, comment and subscribe, like my video. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe. Press this subscribe button, please. And guys, we are almost through with our bag, and this bag is looking gorgeous already. Like, it's looking gorgeous already. So guys, we are going to be attaching that to the main body. So you can make use of your gum to hold the bag down, or you can make use of your magnet, or you can make use of your, what's it called, your binding clips. So I'll be making use of my binding clips. If you don't have, you can make use of your gum. Just add gum to the tip of the whole bag and to the tip of the lining and glue it together, center by center. And guys, our bag is ready. So I'm going to take it to my machine and I'm going to sew it. Don't mind me, I'm going to be sewing it here with my manual machine. And don't forget to like put in your handle as well. So you can add in your handle. I'm using my gum to like hold that place down, and I'm going to be sewing it round. So guys, for the third time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe and comment. And guys, our bag is ready. Isn't that looking gorgeous already? Yes, the bag is looking so beautiful. Like, so guys, we have come to the end of our tutorial. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I love you guys so much. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.